Oh, tara, tara, tara.
Wait, we're not gonna wait for anyone else?
Yeah. Ready ka na?
Hindi ko kayo marinig, men.
Uy, wala pa eh. Loading.
Hindi, I mean like, kanina di ko yung mabarinig sa chat as in.
Wala rin. Sige, wait lang. Dun. Oh, sino nag-crash? Sid?
Nag-crash ka ata.
Sino nag... Ako?
Ikaw? Yung ano? Oh, wait.
Oh, ay na pala.
Okay.
Okay.
Hello? Okay.
Yo.
Ay, wait. What? Hindi, natanggal ako.
Ay, si Sam nga nag-crash. Main menu tayo, main menu.
Oh, God damn it.
The fuck? Wait lang.
Then, private. Yes. Dun, dun, dun.
Well, shit.
Asia. New game. Yes. Skip.
Wait lang. Quit ako tapos sali ako ulit. Wait lang.
Sige lang. Join na lang kayo sa akin ulit. Technically,
Bing,
please.
bing, bong. Bing, bong, bing. Skip.
Bing bong. Bing bong. Nakabit ka, Sid. Sa Discord.
Okay, nag-join na ako.
Yo, send out the invite, brother.
Hold on. I did. Just click my profile and then join game, Dennis.
Yeah.
Beep 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 beep. Beep 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 beep. Beep 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 beep.
Beep, 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 beep.
Ako pa yun si Sam.
Ay, in.
Oh, si Soda.
Hi, Soda.
Hello.
Tara Soda. With your big fat 7. Tara.
What the fuck, I can't... How do I... What?
I'll just click my profile.
Tite.
Come on, Soda. Come on. Sasali ka ba? Oh, nawala. Kamusta araw mo, Sam? Okay.
Skibidi Riz, Ohio, Gyat.
Kasi kaso thesis tapos ano. Yeah.
Teka nga.
Skibidi Riz.
Salita ka
Let's
nga.
rock.
Wait, talo lang to si
Ay.
Soda.
Yeah.
Ayaw talaga gumana yung ano yung as in like yung mismong audio sa game di gumagana eh. So like I really need to like set up with Discord.
Kahit sa microphone? Wala.
Oh, ayaw talaga.
Pero naririnig mo naman yung game.
Hindi.
Ah, walang sound yung game?
Wala.
Check your settings, maybe?
I
Oh,
did,
wait.
man. Kanina ko pang inaano yung settings ko, nakakainis.
Soda, look at me, look at me, Sam, and Miguel. We're triple baka.
Ayun, mute ka na sa Discord, Soda.
Oh.
New file to para kay Sam lang. Para hindi malito.
Oh my
Special pala
god,
ako,
bruh.
guys.
Oh my god, bruh. Ito na naman.
Pre,
New
Soda.
file.
Soda, look at us. We're triple baka.
start ka na.
Yung sassy baka.
I'm bored. Visit name smiling friend.
Oh,
I'm
nice.
bored.
Ang
Ba't
tagal
ako?
bago ng gaming ulit.
Sana di mag-crush si Sam.
I'm bored.
Imagine the crush, no?
That would be bad.
Said you're not muted on Discord.
I know. Sabi ko lang.
Hello.
Janet.
Ayun.
Hello.
Arat.
Alright,
Dude.
Alright, it worked. Let's go.
Oh yeah,
Let's go, guys.
Sam. Pwede ka pala mag-emote if you want.
Mamaya. Sige.
Sit to 0.
Sino yung pinto? Putang ina.
Ito.
Bumas.
Ayan.
Uy, pills for me? Pills here.
Feels here.
Pills here.
Nakuha
Stop,
natin, guys.
Wait. Lagi ka sa card. Thank you.
Okay, sige. Arat guys, yung gusto ng
Oo.
cards. What the fuck?
Gnomes.
Yun.
Smash 'em.
Baby. Nakita mo yung mga clips?
Oh, nakita ko eh. Yung inedit mo.
Flamethrower.
Dude, kumuha ako ng nitro para doon.
Hindi.
Ano yun, pre?
Sam, come over here. Behold, I have the power of Arson on my side.
Oh yes. Sam,
Yo,
Help
that's
me.
sick.
Tab.
Help.
Tab is
Wait,
map.
With what?
Miki.
I can't let it.
Tab,
Where?
yeah, tab is map. Tab is map.
Oh
Okay,
god.
map. Okay. That's
Uy,
great,
free
guys.
iPhone. Wow.
And yung mga yellow things sa map, it's an item.
Got it.
Tab,
Uy.
Wait.
Na-stuck.
Wait.
Alright guys.
Why am I super laggy?
You have click.
Parang
here,
nasa-
but that's-
We're going to take a
Oh!
right, guys.
Oh, sorry.
Uy, gago, ano yun?
Sorry.
Oh! Oh!
Tago.
Uy siya.
Whoa.
Ilalim. Under the table.
Sa ilalim ako. Nasa ilalim ako!
Lima. Crouch.
Ayun, okay.
Pwede ka mag-crouch move ah.
Sam, crouch!
Ilalim. Sa amin.
Sa ilalim!
Takbo. Uh-oh. I got this.
Bakit kami nag-360 umikot?
Dude. Gamitin natin yung flamethrower sa kanya.
Kasi,
Kailangan mo yung tamaan sa sahig para mag-activate.
Passing.
Wala siyang trigger.
That was the
No, I
funniest
think
thing I
meron
ever
siyang trigger
heard.
but
I was just hiding here and I
okay
could
ka lang,
hear,
Sam.
Oh,
I could hear Stam screaming from the other room.
oh yes, you can press E. Kapag check mo yung bottom right, you can press E and talk for a bit.
Oh my god.
Ayun ah. Yeah, saglit lang siya. May timer siya.
Kita yung clip kay Prince. Yung sumabog yung hawak ko.
Yeah, nakita ko nga eh. Wah! I lived? Okay.
May hawak ka?
Wala. Mabalik na ako sa tingi. Yeah.
Oh, GDC soda.
Tara, balik na natin
Oh
yung
my god.
gamit natin. Para mabuhay si Sam.
Oh, floppy this.
Oh.
Oh my god.
Sorry. Are they dead?
Oh.
Arr.
Ba't ka galit sa... What I do?
What I do?
Tabi.
Tara, buhay na natin si Sam.
Yes, guys.
Ayun na, buhay ka na.
Born again.
Yo, kamusta? Hi,
Hi, Sam.
Sam.
Hi. I'm back, guys.
Are you okay?
Kill kita, Sam.
I'm okay. What the fuck is that? Uy, gago, may nasa likod mo.
Ay. Ow!
Ba't ako naapo yan, pre?
Ikaw, nag-heal ka kapag nasa truck ka.
Okay. Uy, gago ah!
Asan si Soda?
Oh god! I gotta go.
Ano yun?
Soda,
Uy!
come here.
Ano yan?
Prutin mo, Sam. Tapos islam mo siya.
Soda, come here. Move.
Ano?
Soda, move.
Congratulations, you got your first kill.
Damn.
I wanna kill more. I wanna kill more.
Hi. Hi, sorry, I was talking to...
Yeah.
Hi!
Tara, balik na tayo.
Toy.
Yeah, hurry up.
Pasing ko to ay.
Okay.
Oh, he hit me.
I mean,
That's
pero
always
binuhat
fun.
nyo na lang ako. You can do that.
Come on,
I
hurry up.
can't.
Careful,
Naka-crouch ka sa akin eh.
You're calling me fat?
Yeah, that too. Big and round.
Sam!
Uh-oh.
Hurry up, we gotta go.
Run!
Hinalimutan.
Oh, hindi ako yun. Sino yun?
Ikaw yun.
Ano yun?
Huh?
I saw it with my own two eyes.
What's the...
Kaya ako namatay kanina kasi di ako naka-crouch, naka-ano lang ako. Nagsislide.
No, hindi. Naka-crouch ka lang. Pero wala ka sa under the table.
What do I want?
Ito yung shop.
Your mama!
Stamina.
I want strength. May strength. Give me strength.
May mga guns dito, Sam.
I'm gonna get one stamina upgrade.
Pero wala pala.
This is for me.
Ito,
Wait. Uppies.
Stun
Sino gusto
grenade.
uppies?
Me.
Ano to?
Grenades, tsaka energy.
Ugly
Di
ass.
ba real ba? Do you have guns?
At least I'm not fat.
Wala lang.
Wala.
Ito, pwede mo activate.
O, nahulog ka.
Nahulog ako.
Oh, meron.
Ano na, hilo ako.
Oh, may grenade.
Do you wanna go up?
Oh,
Wala?
What's going on?
may grenade.
Oh, isa lang.
Open it, Sid.
Open it.
Open it.
Aha! I live, bitch!
Oh, wait. Kunin mo yung grenade.
Can you get the
There's
grenade?
two grenades in there. There's
Oh,
another
sorry.
one, a small
Uy,
one.
gago, ba't nahulog ako?
I'll pick you up.
Give me the small one. There you go.
It would be funny kung indignite mo.
I was thinking, pre.
Ah! No, let me go.
Okay, ready?
Yeah, this is ano to.
Malaki na po yun.
Shop mode to. You just chill.
Dead.
Oh yes, kapag naka-pick up ka na item,
Ano to?
you can use scroll wheel. Oh my god.
Yeah, I did. Para lumayo na.
Oh! Lita dito!
Uy!
What was that?
Oh, pal.
Oh! Alright, where's my
Come
stamina? There it is.
Gusto mo grenade, Sam?
Oh, what?
Grenade.
Oh. Yes.
Okay, just press 1 para malagay sa inventory mo.
What? Press E?
No, 1. Press 1.
So, okay.
You
Ganito.
press...
No, pre. Press 1.
Stop it! No, that's it. You press 1, 2, or 3 to put it in your inventory, and then press E to activate.
Hindi ko di-deactivate yan. Bahala ka dyan.
Naka-AFO, narinig ko na lang yung ticking ng bomba. I can tab in fast, pre. Don't do that.
Nag-miss ako. Hindi ko nahawakan agad. Nagpanik ako ng konti.
Ano yung two thoughts?
Welcome to Hogwarts.
Wow.
Oh yeah, the cart. Wait lang. Gusto ko ng the cart.
Gusto mo sumakay sa cart? Pwede ka itulak.
Hindi, gusto ko ako nagtutulak ng carts.
Sige. Sasakay ako.
Ako nagtutulak.
Oh god.
Sakin mo ako, pre.
Ayan. Saan tayo, Tay? Saan tayo?
Terraria ball.
Dito tayo sa kabila.
Terraria eye.
Tay, tara,
Anak,
Tay.
huwag ka makulit.
Huwag ka malikot.
Wait.
Asan si mama?
Sige, patulong.
Bakit tayo iniwan?
Meron na to. Okay na yun ah.
Bakit tayo iniwan?
Uy, Gogi, may ano.
Ikaw na bahala.
Shopping.
Ano yan?
Shopping.
Shopping.
Uy, may ano.
Ay, may aklat.
Shopping.
Ang daming item.
Got it. Fuck! Never mind.
Uy, Gogo na yun.
Guys,
Ano yun?
sira left and right. Ay, ipis!
Huh?
Uy guys, lito mo.
Si Antonio.
Ano yan? Antonio? Hindi si Manuel yun, diba?
Wait lang, sakay nga ako. Tara na, tay!
Tara, anak. Single father lang ako, ha. Tandaan mo yan.
Single father with
Tayo, Roger.
single father with 4
Ay,
kids.
nagtanong!
Ooh!
Saan mo
Uy.
gusto, anak?
pa?
Help!
Oh, wait lang.
Help! Help!
Ayan na.
Uy, Gogo na yun.
Ano yan? Ano to?
Tom chalice. Ewan ko. Candle.
A bomb.
What's this?
Come, Chalice.
Some.
No. Chill ka lang dun. Gives you health.
Oh yeah.
Di ba radiation yan?
No, health yan.
Watch me, Sam.
Pwede ba? Okay, sige. Gang.
Ow.
Uy, Gogo na yun.
Oo nga. Okay.
Full health na siya. Full health na siya.
Get me out.
My turn.
Guys, stop! Nothing in here.
Said catch.
Saan na yun sa kab? Uy, yun.
Eto.
Wait, as long as you put it back, as long as you put it back in your inventory, it won't blow up, right?
Pre, tanda mo kung sino may hawak ng grenade. Remember. Yung pumatay sa atin lahat.
Yung matulad kay Prince.
Malas na si Prince.
I hear something. Oh, it's a one.
Malas.
Health.
Another one.
Another one. Oh shit.
Sige.
Wait, ingatan nyo.
Sorry.
Dennis.
Honest.
The gold red one.
Sige, bawi ako.
Uy,
What is
doggy!
that?
Sino yun?
Doggy!
What is that? What is that?
Ano ginagawa?
Don't look at it.
Oh,
Uh-oh.
Balloon boy.
What is that?
Guys.
Ano ba siya Haggis?
wait, chill. Chill lang ata siya. He's chill, I think. Oh, goodbye.
Maybe if we pop those balloons, something bad happens.
Dude, ang creepy nun ng POV ko. Parang sa ano lang, sa bike.
Kaya
Bigla
nga
na
eh.
lang siya nag-appear.
Dennis, pop it. Pop the balloons.
Wait lang. Hagisan ko ng granada.
Guys, wait. Wait. We already have $27,000 in the cart. Should we go back?
Yeah, you should go back.
Fine.
Yeah, go
It's
back.
fine.
Go back, Dennis. Go back.
See? Perfectly normal.
Hala.
Oh,
Uy,
What?
go. Uy, layo.
galit sa'yo, Sam.
Bomba mo! Ibomba mo!
Hawakan niyo yung bata.
No! Our stuff!
Corner.
Tabi may bomba!
Asan yung bomba?
Ito. Pasabugin ko ba?
Go, pasabugin mo.
Wait lang. Benny, bubuhatin niyo. Jump! One,
Down!
two,
It's birthday boy.
one. There you
Okay,
go.
Tara, buhat.
Alright,
Bitaw.
let's go extraction. Let's bring back Sam. Where's his head?
Wait, dahan. Fragile yung hawak ko. Dahan. Wait lang. Ako muna.
I have some.
Dali. Nasa likod na ako. Tara, buhayin na natin si Sam.
Ginam.
Tawa ko sa grenade.
Is it? Have you not seen that monster before?
No.
Nope.
That's me.
Okay.
Ang funny ng
Okay, go.
Ang funny ng itsura niya na lumipad eh.
Let's put it all in.
Siya.
May 20. Oh, ako na pala tayo.
Meron-
Dali natin. Yeah, look.
Dude, munti ko na magbati yung scatter grenade ko. I was thinking.
One target, pre.
Hi
Uy,
Sam.
I'm back.
Tara Sam, sakay ulit.
Hello. sige. Let's go, Tay. Ba na to? Ba't may pera tayo?
Wala na si mama. Naghihirap na tayo.
Ah,
Okay, so
Ba-
note to
bakit
everybody.
ka kasi
do not
nangangaliwa
pop
pa?
balloons.
Alam mo yung mga ano?
Ganun lang ang buhay ko.
May tinutulak na cart.
Ay, heal kita, heal kita.
Don't pop the damn balloons. What is happening? Oh, okay.
Hanggang dun lang tayo, anak.
ba't ang baba ng health ko?
You died.
Oh, kasi
If
ano,
you revive.
1 HP.
Hold on, we can. You can grab people's necks and then you can give them health.
Wow!
Full HP ka?
Ba't di ako nag-ano? Hindi. 31 pa rin.
I think Soul is lying. Yeah, hindi ako na, wala akong HP.
Oh my god, I forgot.
Yeah. So does a liar.
A big one.
Soda
big-
was not telling the
Bait,
truth.
bait is so easy. Bait is so
Liar,
easy.
liar, pants on fire. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Bait is so easy. I'll throw you off.
Wait lang guys na ano.
Uy,
Oh.
big pot, tagilid.
Ang laki no?
Oh, I hear something.
Oh
That's
my god,
me.
Khonshu. Oh my god, Khonshu. The moon,
Damu.
the moon.
The moon haunts you.
Ano yun?
They don't feel.
What I do?
Oh, there's the extraction.
Ilay! Ilay!
Are you good, Sam?
Here, big pot, pre. Tulungan niyo ko, hilahin
Oh my
sa
God.
kasing.
May 50 shield too, guys. Let's go.
Oh, wait.
No,
yung
ito
pala-
yung Fizz. This is
right there.
Fizz,
We can
pre.
just carry it.
Dali, i-shake mo, i-shake mo.
Yeah, bring the card over.
Bigger.
Guys, shake natin.
No, no, no,
Wait
no.
lang, tapos na ba?
May mga
Wait
loot
lang,
pa.
wait lang,
May
wait
mga
lang,
loot pa.
wait
May mga loot pa.
May mga loot pa. May mga loot pa.
Hold on, Sam. Wag mo na, wag mo na, wag mo na.
Oo. Aray!
Sorry.
Aray ko!
Sorry, anak. Sorry.
Ba't mo ginawa yan sa akin pa?
Kailangan natin ng pera. Wala na ba?
Teka na.
Mm-mm.
Okay.
Time
Why
out
you
ka muna.
down like a rat?
Time out ka muna.
Tara na. Asan ka? Parang ano punta dyan? Tara, balik na
Okay,
tayo.
we should
Takbo,
run.
takbo, takbo.
Oh,
Go, 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 go!
Ano meron?
Ah, hindi.
Guys,
Mamatay ka, mamatay ka. Mamatay ka.
Kabahan ka na.
Mamatay, pre!
Oh no, oh no,
Sam,
oh no.
Sam, listen. Every time when you
Guys.
Yeah?
Aha.
Uy!
Bye-bye.
Uy, uy,
Bala ka
uy,
dyan.
uy,
Bye-bye.
Nakita ba ako?
Ano, uy!
Tara na, takbo. Sundan mo ako, Sam, ah. Sundan mo ako. Tara. Bahala na sila dyan.
Ano, pre?
Ano yun? Tara na.
Paano mo ginagawa yung roll, pre?
Ano? Q. Kunyari, shift space Q. Takbo ka muna, momentum. Tapos Q. Ayan.
They don't feel HP.
Tama ba?
Ano yung soda? Oh, that's why.
Ayun. Soda, come back!
Wait, buhay pa si Soda.
Oh my god!
Oh my god, oh my god.
Oh my god.
Tago.
Uy, gagi, saan
Nandiyan
tayo?
siya.
Ba't kayo natatago?
Quiet!
I have a job.
Buenas.
Bye-bye. What? Hindi na damage. Oh.
I think we should go.
No, pre. We need to get Soda. Ito yung mission natin.
This is a bad idea.
It is a bad idea.
Don't touch
Why are you doing it?
For
Don't pop the
soda.
balloons, guys. Don't pop the balloons.
Sinisipa si soda. Jump!
Soda!
Oh my god, narinig. Ang ingay mo. Ang... Oh my god, ni bata. Parang ka soda. Jump. Jump. Hi, pre. Tara na.
Baby. Soda!
Thank you. Oh my gosh.
Doon sinipa ka pa alis.
Akala ko na-escape ko siya. Oo nga, that's...
Nagulat ako, palayo ka ng
Okay,
palayo. Tapos, pinurot ko ng bata.
Pinulot ako.
Nagtataka ako, bakit ka lumalapit?
Sam, to explain what just
Wait,
happened.
pinulot ako ng bata.
Oh,
Sam,
sinisipa
when
ka
you
pa
finish
balik.
all the extractions, any monsters you manage to kill, they respawn.
Oh. Oh, wait, hey, that's a gun!
Uy, kunin mo, kunin. No, that's
Oh,
not it.
maganda.
Never mind.
How does this thing work?
Gusto na ba? Gusto...
Oh! My bad!
Sino gusto makit?
Ah!
Me.
Ginamit niya yung grenade.
Yeah,
Wait lang.
I wanted to be a hero.
Wait lang.
Eto.
No!
Yo, what's up?
Wala na, hindi kayo kukuha ng upgrades. Hindi kayo kukuha ng upgrades.
Kumuha ako.
I got a strength upgrade. I have a strength upgrade.
I have sprint speed.
May dalawang strength dito, okay. Wala na kukuha.
Me. Okay na.
Where's my sprint?
Okay na? We're good na? We're good na?
Yeah.
Okay.
There's still 2 stamina upgrades.
Ikaw tumapak.
Ano, gusto ko na ako. Oy, wait! Bibilin ko sana to!
Pwede ka pa bumili. What's that? Pwede ka, ayan,
Stun grenade.
pwede pa tayo bumili. Sige lang.
Nobody gonna get these stamina upgrades. Holy shit!
Ano yun? Pwede yun!
Ano nangyari?
Yung bear trap.
Wow, ang ganda nun ah. Parang gusto ko to. I like this one.
Sige, tara kunin natin.
Last call for 2 stamina upgrades. Only 3,000 a pop.
Tapos, may naka-apat.
Gusto nyo? Kunin natin?
Okay lang.
Yes.
Okay, tara na.
Tara.
Tara. Ng baril.
Wala na tayong budget eh. Ay, tara. Aray ko.
I love this game, wait lang. Parang gusto parang gusto
Get inside, triple baka.
Dude, if you buy it, it's worth it.
May mga mods pa, we can add Freddy kung gusto mo.
Yeah.
Give me this.
Where's my strength?
Where's my sprint?
Aka na isang strength.
Oh no! That was mine!
No, I have strength. I think you accidentally got this one, not strength.
No, I bought the strength upgrade clearly.
Yeah.
Kaya nga!
I got
Sorry
strength.
ka!
Tama na.
Huwag na kayo mag-away.
Huwag na kayo mag-aaway!
No,
Ba't kayo
taking this.
nag-aaway?
I see you laughing, bro.
Ba't kayo nag-aaway?
Dali, kunin mo na to, Sam. One time use lang to.
Nahantok ako, pre.
Why you laughing, bro? Why you...
One time use. Paano ba i-disarm yung grenade?
E. Lagay mo agad!
Lagay mo sa inventory mo agad.
Lagay mo sa inventory mo. 1. Press 1. Press 1. Ah, ginamit.
Hindi.
I did not, no.
Nagamit ba?
No.
Oh, okay. Narinig ko
Ano ba?
sumabog eh.
Ito, bear trap sama.
Are we guys ready?
Ito, bear trap.
I'm too fucking fast, that's why.
Yung bear trap mo.
Alright, let's go.
Wait.
Saan bear trap mo?
Bear trap mo.
Bear trap ko. Hey! Bear trap ko.
Ay, tara.
Okay.
Unprepared. Subukan yung mga poke ng ina.
Ngayon na. We better pop off na. I wanna see the baddie.
Momo, where's Momo?
Where my 3-piece hair girl at?
Where's the homophobe at?
It's you.
Alright, Sam, you're in charge of the cart.
Bang!
Okay,
Bang!
let's
Bang!
go.
Bang!
Tulang kami ng
Uy!
cards.
Uy! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Oh my god.
Yeah!
Sam, lapit ka.
Hey!
Hawakan mo.
Hawakan mo.
Sige.
Hindi, hawakan mo yung
No,
boombox.
let go mo yung cart mo. Tapos hawakan mo yung jukebox.
Eh,
Oh, good shit.
Yeah.
yeah.
Hey.
Alright,
Hey.
we gotta stop on the road.
Okay.
Eh.
Hey, upo tayo.
Oh, goodbye.
Oh.
As a clown. Oh, hello. I have a dog.
Pet mo lang yan. Pet mo.
Can I-
Lagi mo siya ipet. Pag
Well-
nagre-red yung mata niya, ipet mo.
I have an idea for that dog.
No, magta-transform siya, pre, pag hindi mo pinet.
But he won't see
Makakatakas
me.
yan. No, even if hindi ka kita. Oh, ew.
Oh man. Oh, whoa. Tira mo to.
Pre,
Oh, smiling friend's ass.
mukha tong Rick and Morty characters. Oo nga, a smiling friend's ass.
Tira mo to.
Uy. Gamba.
Oh, the money.
Uy, stop.
Okay.
That's money.
Nasaan ni ano? Clown.
Wait, pero, buhatin natin, tara, buhatin natin.
Stop.
Stop. Go.
Bakit?
Stop.
Is that a basket square?
Go.
Basket cube.
Stop.
Is that thing?
Stop.
It's a basket.
Stop. Huwag niyo hawakan ng masyado.
What if we just roll?
Wait.
No, wait.
I'm gonna bring the
What
cart
if
over
we,
here.
like, no.
I'm just gonna
Yeah,
push it.
push na lang natin. Yeah,
Oh my god.
crouch.
How? Oh, hi Sam.
Oh, yun. Patay na.
Tulak sa laser.
Tulak niya sa laser. Aray ko.
Oh.
Sira. Oo. Sana pinasabog mo na lang.
May dog ah.
Hawakan niya. Pet niya lang yung dog.
Tara. Balik na natin to. Hi Sam.
Ano na?
Wait lang.
Huwag mong hawakan ka. Just push.
Yeah.
Hanapin ko yung clown.
I bet Hank Wimbledon would love one of these. Oh, no, not into the laser.
What's in here?
Move mo yung heart.
Ano yun? No, yung laser.
Alright, now put the card in.
Me. I don't know.
Okay na. Okay.
Wait for Sam.
Hi Sam.
Oh, I'm back, guys.
Yes sir.
Hey, man.
What
I'm
just
on
happened?
1 HP.
Okay, heal
Hold on, let
kita.
me give you some. Let me give you some.
Okay. I got it.
Alright, turn around, turn around.
Ah, don't move.
No, turn around, turn around. So let me see your neck. Okay, there we go. There's a health bar on your neck. Okay, there we go.
Yay!
Basta na kayong dalawa.
There we go.
Thank you.
Yep.
Gotta check if these legs are gonna win.
Oh
the
god, where did those two go now?
Asan yung laser?
Sa room na to.
Fuck,
Yung laser guy.
nobody's camping.
Oh, I see him.
Oh, laser guy.
Oh, hello.
Wait, tapil.
Oh my god.
May item doon. Kung saan ako kanina.
Oh, pila.
Namatay ako na. Yeah.
Stupid.
Yup. What do I do? Damn.
I'm sorry. I'm. Oh, fuck away.
Dennis, get me.
I'm on 10 HP.
Wait, kami.
Get me, get me, get me. Get me. Sid, get me.
Clown broke some of our shit.
Nandiyan yung grenade, Sid. Yeah. Oh, hi, Dennis. On the way ako sa cart. Yeah. Yeah. Hi, Dennis.
Oh, what's he doing? Talk again?
Wait for the bottom right to appear E.
Where is he at?
Ano yung dalawa?
Somebody.
Ginagawa ni Sam. Sid.
Oh shot, everybody's dead right now.
Sid, punta ka kay Soda.
Yeah.
My head.
Can you please tell him I'm dead now?
Okay. Dennis is dead.
Damn.
Hi, Soda.
Bye.
Hi, Soda.
Hi. Is everybody dead?
I don't know where Sam is. Guys, stop moving.
Sam is missing. Oh.
Tara na, Soda.
Nasa truck
Wait,
si
may
Sam.
item ba
Nasa truck si Sam. Someone get him.
Shush.
Can you get Sam? I think he's scared.
Sam?
Uy, buhay ka pa. Hi.
Wait, dalhin ko lang dito.
Oh, it said.
Sam.
Wait, send. Naku, nahanap na. Lagay mo na kami.
Okay.
Excuse me. Ted. May item pa doon. Kita may...
Okay, so.
Hello.
Nasaan yung ano? Wait lang. Huwag mo muna pasok. Meron pa isa pang item.
Yep.
Sino may map?
Hindi ko pinasok. Aga lang sa...
Yo. Ay.
Wait lang. May item pa. Balik tayo.
I'm dead.
Isa na lang yung item.
What the heck?
Aha. Nasaan yung ulo mo nila? Nakita niya ba?
Oh,
Nandun na.
Cart.
Ah, okay. Balik ka na ba yung card sa ano? Sa...
Hindi pa. Kunin pa namin.
Isa pa.
Sige.
Gugu gaga. Do I sound baby Dennis? Gugu gaga. Gugu gaga. Uwe.
Ayun o.
Kakarry kita.
Be like.
Naabot ko.
Oh, na.
Abod mo?
I lied. Actually, never mind.
Sige, kaya kita.
Sino gusto?
Touch us ulit.
Okay. Up. Wait. Okay.
Baba ka slowly.
Alright. Tara na.
Where am I?
Yep.
Yeah.
Hi, guys!
Hi.
Ang cute mo naman, mga kang baby. Mga
Hi,
baby.
guys.
5 years old.
Gugu gaga type shit.
Suga ba matama ka? Matama ka.
Gugu gaga
Gugu gaga.
type shit. I'm not ugly.
Big box.
Yeah.
Get out of here.
Someone heal me. Heal me.
Talikod.
Wait lang. I got you.
Somebody give me some help.
Ayan, okay na yan.
Alright, thank you. That's enough.
Let's go.
Oh my god. Ba't kita hinil? Wala parang buhay.
Balik ko, isa.
Oo. May
Oh, hi, dog.
Papi.
Napet ka na.
Invisible man and laser.
Oh, hello. Pet the
May ano.
Pet the dog.
Clown.
Takbo!
Ay, ikaw yung target. Tara. Come on, kids.
Oh, nasaan grenade?
Maybe next time, man. Tara.
I don't want it.
1, 2, 3. Okay, let's go.
Invisible man.
Oh, it missed.
Go!
Una yung araw!
Yung stamina. Aray ko.
Sorry.
Dennis, we're near.
Kunin mo nga, I don't want it.
Okay. Ano yung soda? Tara guys, kunin natin. Oh.
Guys. Oh, wait.
Dude, kinuha ako ng hidden, tapos sinabol ako ng paso.
Dude, ka na kung patay ka na. Babalik kami.
God.
Pre,
Oh,
they hate your ass.
BRB nga.
Bakit?
okay.
Alright, I need a strength upgrade.
I need something.
This is my favorite part of the game.
Shopping.
Hindi ako maglaro. Yay!
There's no... Oh, there's one stand.
Eto, Sam, try mo to.
Ano yan? Oh, ganda nun ah.
Ayan.
Go.
What's this? Oh,
Sam, may gusto kang upgrade? Sam,
You swing out.
may gusto kang upgrade, Sam.
Wait lang. Yes.
Aray ko.
Ang ganda!
Crouch rest. Ah!
Sam, may gusto ka bang ano?
Yes.
Upgrade?
Yes. Ano pwede?
Ano dito? Ano gusto mo dito?
Gusto ko ng...
So,
Akin to, akin yung stamina upgrade.
Gusto ko health.
akin yung frying pan.
Akin yung double jump.
Akyat, sino gusto?
Me.
My number 1 volunteer.
Hey man,
Correct.
loyal ako.
Upgrade, I'm getting 1 strength and 1 crouch rest.
Grenade.
Oh, so.
And grenade. And more grenade.
Whoa! Backward. Get.
Ayun lang ba?
Ang bilis na!
Oh,
I'm
I
not
thought
see
it
that
threw
one,
me.
man. Let's
I
try that
don't
again.
think abot ba?
Abot,
Ilang
abot,
grenade
abot.
yun? Oh, sakto.
Ito,
Okay.
ito human
Ready na?
grenade.
Anong difference nun?
I don't know actually.
Alright,
Overboard.
alright, everybody keep track of your upgrades. Don't take any that aren't yours.
Mine's a double jump.
Oh, you can lift me up. Uh-oh.
Wait.
Ano
It's my
health mo?
favorite thing to do.
Now, I think tinanggal nila yung, ano, yung damage sa store.
Ah, dude, saan na kinuha natin to? Yung plaster.
Ano yan?
That's still killing you!
What? Ano yan?
Yeah, they removed the damage. Tara, Sam. Tara.
Alright, I got strength and
Catch
crouch
me.
rest.
Strength? Like from kick?
Yes, dude. Give me the pan.
No.
Sabi.
Did
Oh,
I?
wait, sino gusto ng ano? Bucket? Gusto mo bucket?
Did I buy this?
Yay! 120.
Hindi mo nagamit, di ba?
No, I lost it. Okay.
Saan
Okay.
yung bucket?
For the duck.
Oo nga no.
Tira gusto ng grenade. May dalawang extra.
Kaya ako set.
Oh, the human.
Why is bro staring at it?
Do you want something?
He's the color of the dog.
Is it that bucket cannot be that good, right?
Oh, pila.
Why are you doubting the bucket? The bucket stinks. Ah.
Yeah, I don't know.
Wait, okay. Pang 6 na yung ano, di ba? 6 yung balloon.
6, 7.
Yeah, 6. 6, 7.
Yes. I think basta wag ka lang mag-pop ng balloon para hindi ka lang... Oh, that guy. That's what meant 6.
Oh, sorry. Anyway. Tabi.
Me when I'm going crazy. Get it?
You grab it, it moves.
Me when I get my hands on that.
Hey, stick together.
Me when I get that Zaza.
Uy, si ano?
Bring the car over.
Si Faker.
Oh. Right.
Excuse me!
Hello? Hello? Ano to?
Hello?
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 Teriyaki Nagasaki?
Nagasaki.
Oh!
Something.
Japanese.
Watashi wa white.
Come on, Dennis.
Excuse me.
Okay.
There you go.
They're dogs.
I wanna buy this. Get me this, Papa.
Maganda yung wala ng pagbibigan na...
Mura lang.
Actually,
Whoa!
this card is our payday.
Oh, ano to?
Help.
What's that?
Hindi ko na mag-gets anak.
Woo!
Fucking Jesus.
Huh? Mhm.
Telepatic. I wanna speak. I wanna speak. Waza. Overkill naman yan.
Oh,
Ang
we're kinda
lala.
goated.
Ang
Oh, we're kinda
lala.
goated. We killed everybody. We killed everybody.
What the hell was that?
Wait, tulungan mo ko, Ragrat. Buhatin natin.
Yo, 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 yo!
Ay, ko! Saan?
Dude!
Oh no. Nasaan yung Ragrat? Buhatin natin. Everybody, hawakan niyo, buhatin.
Frank, I can grab him.
I'm on my way. Oh, I'm stuck.
Throwing stuff, you bitch.
Just slam, up and down, up and down.
Kill the baby! Kill the baby!
Kill the baby.
Kill the baby! Up, down! Up, down! Kill the baby!
Go,
Kill the baby!
Go to up, down,
I
down,
can't grab him.
Down!
down.
Up,
There you go.
down.
Yon. Stop. Isa lang hawak. Okay, lagay mo.
Okay.
Down.
Very carefully, it's very sensitive.
Can someone pick me up? Please.
Tabi, shh, excuse me. Beep. Beep.
Guys, help! Miguel's head is stuck.
I'm kinda stuck.
You're stuck. No, come here.
Miguel, asan ka na?
I'm dead.
Wait, BRB lang ako, BRB.
No.
No, wait, turn.
Oh, there we go.
Yo.
Yeah, put it in here.
Type shit.
Wag. Dahan. No, you're gonna be my guide, pre. You're
Damn.
coming with me.
Okay. I'm coming with you. Lead the way, Wade.
Wow.
Ew, ang weird yun. Wade.
Wade.
Oh my god.
Wade.
Oh, what is this? Guys, look over here.
Where?
Wait, magkano pera natin? How much is that? Tignan mo nga.
11,804.
Balik na natin yan para hindi na masira yung... Balik na natin.
Yeah, these are really sensitive.
Yeah, sa likod mo. Entrance sa likod mo. Turn around.
Okay, gets. Okay.
Wow.
Actually, no. Just go here. Actually, no. Just go.
La.
Get them later.
Soda.
We will get them
Bang!
later.
Aray ko.
Bang!
Ay, fine shite.
Lagay mo. Pre, you can't say that.
Mugiwara.
She's a minor, bro. You
Balik mo
can't-
sa-
She is.
Tabi. Pre.
I didn't know. Wait.
Mugiwara.
No.
Yeah, what's up?
Panis,
Get small.
maraming pera.
You can't say that, pre.
What do you mean? What did I do?
Mugiwara. Alright guys,
Wait, heal nyo
so-
nga si heal nyo si Mig. Wala akong
Heal me.
Aray,
Oh, get them over.
Heal me.
Low HP na rin ako.
I'm
Wait
lower.
lang. Bakit? Talikod. Bend over.
Oh, masyado madami. Yung HP mo.
Walang yan.
May frying
Uy,
pan.
may frying pan!
Tara. Tara, guys.
Let's go get more items.
Where do I put the sack of money, right? Doon lang yan.
Ah! Takot ka, no?
On the other side.
Diretso lang tayo. Diretso lang.
Tabi!
Oh, there it is.
Nice. Umiwan ng farting.
Wait lang, handa.
Oh my god, an urn.
It's China.
Ay, lagyan ba natin doon sa cart? Wait lang. Ayan.
Pag malalaki, tas
Diretso
malapit
na.
tayo sa ano, diretso na.
Diretso na. Sige, sige.
Yeah, pag malaki, tas ano.
Go Sid.
Susunod.
Wow, pretty ballerina.
What a pretty boy.
He was a fairy.
Oh, this is where I died.
Ang crazy niyan, dude. Nakita mo yung nasira yung buong ano, skeleton?
Oh,
Na ano?
sabi niyo inignite yung ano. Nice.
What did you just break?
Ba't lagi nangyayari sa akin?
Malas mo naman.
Nagsalita ka, malapit na mamatay.
Ano yan?
Yung nagsalita ka, malapit na mamatay.
How? What I do?
Yung patay kanan yun, diba?
Oo.
Tapos nandun yung hunter.
Oo.
Nandun lang sa higaan, binaril yung higaan.
May ano.
Oh
may-
yeah.
I was so close. Like, slow turn ko sa'yo.
Nung nagsalita ako. Dude, tumantuwa ako nung naanig yung talk na yan.
Oh, yeah.
Slow turn na
Plumber.
yung visit.
Oh.
An urn.
Malaki?
Yes, sir.
Wait,
Big boy? Ay, Big
take-
Papa, Big Papa. Oy, malapit dito. Tara.
Tara, tara.
Tulungan mo ka.
Oh, good. We're good.
Bro, ang ano natin, ang sama natin, binibenta natin pati.
What are you gonna do?
Then
Haunt
people
us?
ashes spray. Oo.
Is it? I can't see the price.
241 na bawasan.
Okay, stop mo na. Yan, dito na lang. Send! That's 100 down. That's like 5k,
Wait, item
10k
dito.
V-Bucks. Where the cart boys at? Yo.
Yo.
Excuse
Did you find the extraction?
Yeah, just go to the right. Ano meron dito? Wow.
Shit, I can't fit.
Wait. I'll pick up the thing. We'll bring this inside by itself para kumasya siya.
So guys,
Uy!
Ready nyo na yung cart.
wait lang, di sila magkasya eh.
Wait. Someone move the cart.
Wait lang. Di magkasya.
Yeah. Wag mo lapag sa loob.
Shoot mo.
Oh my god.
Oh, what happened?
Nothing.
I saw $1,000
Easiest
go up
1K
in
down the
smoke.
drain.
Something obviously happened.
It was Prince.
Oh!
Okay, push
Ang
nyo
dami
yung cart.
dito,
Push nyo yung cart. Go, Dennis. Go. Push the cart. Go. Just push it. Go.
Oo. Tulong. Okay. Goods na.
We need to find one more.
I have one more extraction boat. Eject!
Send, watch out!
May hawak ako
Me putting my
One more
balls.
extraction
Uh-oh.
point, guys.
Whoa!
Careful, you're gonna lose money.
Help us. Please. Okay,
Okay, let's go.
let's go. Where are they?
Ulap lang ako ng parts.
Ta-da-da-da, ta-da-da-da-da-da,
Where's the last extraction point, though?
Oh,
I
so
think it was where we went earlier with like big ass.
Soul is probably finding it. Ano yun? Ah!
Hoy! Hoy!
Oh, this sucks. This sucks. Move! Where the hell? Excuse.
You can slide up.
Excuse.
Kinda
Hold
like
on.
Fortnite.
Just like also, pre. Just time it.
Also,
Just like Osu. Tara.
that stinky game.
Whoa. There's galaw.
Uh-oh.
Oh, bye.
Bye, Sid. Oh, Sid's dead.
That.
There was a tricycle just moving by it.
Sid!
Excuse me, Bella.
What are you doing?
Hi, Bella.
That's Sid. It's dead.
Go on, guys.
That's an extraction. Oh, tara. Check nyo yung map.
Oh my god, Tim, it was in the basement we refused to go in earlier.
Yeah, I had a feeling.
I don't know. At ngayon, hindi kita maintindihan.
There's a right here.
Oh, hi, Bella.
Ba't
Hi,
kasama sa
Bella.
natin si Sean?
Excuse me, Bella.
Go ahead.
Excuse me.
What the?
Did someone
Oh my
trigger
God.
it? Someone
Why
triggered
you
it.
May not may. Oo.
What I do?
Hi, Bella.
Okay.
Maybe we could kill it.
You wanna kill Bella?
Can you even kill Bella?
Stuck si
No.
Bella. Oh, never mind. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. What do I do, Bella?
Bad Bella.
Uh-oh.
Bad Bella. Bad Bella. No.
Push the
Patay ko
cart. Push the cart. Just push the cart. Just push the cart. Oh.
Namatay si Bella.
I killed her.
Wait. Oh, what's up?
Oh, nabuhay ka.
And I'm back. I'm live. Hello.
Light work, no reaction.
It works!
We should run.
Night work, no reaction. Anyways.
Oh guys,
Bobo.
guys.
Oh my God.
Guys.
Mesa yung prime.
I could
Died.
Yo.
What the fuck happened?
Oh yeah, if
What happened?
you speak or talk, babariling ka niya.
Shit na baby. Hi, Bella.
Yeah.
Bakit mga ugali niya ngayon?
Baka talaga na ugali niya.
Bawal ba?
Bawal
Hindi ba
magsalita.
bawal?
Pre.
Bakit
Corrupt siya eh.
Oo, galit si Bella.
Corrupt siya.
Oo.
Ano si Bella?
Yung,
May baby oh.
yung Bella yung yung may bike. Yung nagre-ring-ring. Ayun yung pangalan
Ano
niya.
ginagawa niya?
If you get too close, she goes crazy.
So, not Bella.
Ayun
Saan
lang.
yun? Ba't siya malapit?
That's right. Ayun niya eh. Naghanap siya ng issues eh.
Bakit naman
Weird.
yun?
AFK lang ako.
Okay.
Baka naman, huwag naman ganun.
Ganun talaga yung mundo. Sa... Yeah.
Oh shit.
Patay na ata ako.
Yeah, hindi ako makakakit sa hagdanan.
Ano mangyayari kapag ano, di tayo umabot?
Pag ano,
Ano mangyayari kapag di tayo umabot sa
Never mind.
kapag namat...
setting?
Ano eh, wala naman siyang timer.
Where are the others?
Ano lang, basta kapag mamatay lahat, doon na matatalo. Fuck, probably ass. Dude, stuck ako. Hindi ako makakit.
Same. Ba't na lang? Tight!
Yeah, let's give him at least a minute and a half or two. I don't know.
Where am I? Ugh. I'm dead. I'm dead.
Hey! Gawan!
Oh, ano ginagawa ni Beth? Yeah. What I do? Tanga naman nila. What the? It's gonna take a long. Teka nga. Mag-unmute ako. We're dead. Get us out.
What happened then? Oh, hi, Bella. Paano kayo namatay?
Nabaril ako.
Kanyari, may naiwan.
Yeah, kami dalawa ni Sam.
Yeah.
Tagal lang 1 minute eh. Nag-unmute na ako.
Baseball bat. A gun.
A gun!
Oh, we should get a gun. We should get a gun. We
Shoot
should get a
me.
gun.
Shoot
Behold!
Gun
me!
is good.
Behold, my super laser fist!
See?
Why did you kill him?
Damage is still here, pre.
I thought it would not damage him. What the fuck was that?
Okay, don't. Wait. Oh,
Damage is still in the game, pre. Wait, come here. Come here. Come here. Bili ba tayo health pack para sa kanila?
One shot rin ako eh.
mag-heal na rin naman sila dito eh.
Kaya man.
Bro, why can't you fit?
Bilang mo lang ah.
I'm not that fat. May dalawang grenade.
Bilan ako sila dalawang small health pack. Just in case lang.
Nakuha mo, nasa yung yung frying pan mo?
Yeah.
Okay. Bili ba tayo crystal?
Mahal no ano?
Wag na muna.
Wag naman na, sige, sige.
Stamina. 3k lang. Gusto.
Ako nga rin.
Gusto ko yung recharge. Gusto ko yung recharge. Walang recharge.
Hindi na gumagana yung glitch siya. Yung sa recharge.
No, I mean yung yung crouch recharge.
Oh,
Stamina.
that.
Yeah.
Mabuhay
Okay
na
na?
nga kayong dalawa.
Mas Mateo.
Ano
Ay.
health nyo?
Yay!
I still have my
One.
One? O, sige.
One gang.
Bumili ako
May
hito.
Mamaya.
mga health pack naman eh.
Sa...
Oh, it's a baseball bat. Oh.
Makukuha mo yung baril mamaya, Sam. Tara na.
Yay.
Tara na, Sam. Sam, tara na.
Wala tayong pera, wala tayong pera.
Catch me.
Who's gun duty, pre?
I guess it should be
I
me.
need help. I need help. Somebody give me help, please.
Can it be me?
Go lang.
I will take a train.
Ba't natin pinili yung bucket?
I don't know.
What's wrong?
Whoa.
Wait,
Did I buy
health pack is
stamina
mine.
upgrade?
Oh wait,
Ay,
Small
sorry.
Oh wait,
I
Sam!
have.
May use
Strength
yan.
yung binili ko,
May use yan,
strength
Sam.
yung binili ko. I remember, strength yung binili ko.
Kaya kada hit mo, nababawasan.
Oh, okay. Ano lang sa amin ah?
Guys, I still have 90 health.
Ow.
I have one.
Here, take this. Oh no, wait, take the.
Yun o, health pack. Ito, health
This
pack.
one.
Sino mo yung mga low? Actually, ito, mas marami.
Take the big
Yung
one.
ito, yung 50, yung 50. Yeah, yan.
Ikaw lang sa'yo.
Ano health mo? Mix.
Okay.
50.
Okay.
Yay.
Ready na?
Yeah.
What is that?
My penis.
Ano daw?
I just finished.
I said my penis.
I don't wanna see all that, pre. Keep it to yourself.
I'm not showing, I'm just telling.
Keep it in your pants.
Uh-oh.
Oh,
ito.
shoot.
Keep up.
Crescent moon.
Okay.
Yeah, whatever. I'll just shoot them.
True!
Yeah, shoot them.
Hey,
Wait lang,
same map.
tatay.
Miss
Wala,
homophobic.
sakay
Narinig natin ang cross.
Tara,
Ay pa.
ingat kayo sa anak ko ha. He's a little bit special in my heart.
Oh, PC. My PC. Dennis, wait.
Ayun, may computer. Soda. Zed. Ikaw muna, wala si Soda. Dennis, come here. Big computer.
Ano to? Oh.
Oh my god.
Oh, laki.
This is where I play Fortnite.
Una kayo. Una kayo.
Okay.
Doon.
Nauna na ako.
Guys,
Yo,
may big server dito. Tulungan niyo ako.
wait lang, meron din kami.
Oh, what happened to...
Meron din kami.
Ah! Flag.
We're good.
Ano yung SpongeBob? Yung ano?
Damn.
Let's stop here. Baba natin dito.
Nasaan yung duck? Nasaan yung duck bucket? May duck!
Oh, himala.
Surprisingly,
You the doc?
Himala.
himala, may duck.
Ayun.
Ikaw, di mo rin
Taas ko ba
mag-rotate.
yung ano, yung
Ikaw na,
card?
Mix. Here.
Oh, sa'yo na yung frying pan ko.
Ah, sige.
Where that duck at?
Who's that?
Nandun siya sa big
I'll
room.
talk to you later.
Dennis, move.
Where's that mother
Ah,
ducker? No, that's not a duck. That's not a duck. Takbo!
Look guy.
Nuke this! Oh shit. Oh shit.
Oh, shit. Ouch.
Oh my god. Oh, aray ko! Saan na yan?
Nasaan ko? Help! Aray ko.
What just happened?
Oh, it's dead.
Pre, gusto lang namin yung duck.
Nung pumunta ko sa big room na, sararat daw.
I don't think ba't na talking lumabas sa room na.
Dude, ay ni bagong monster. Binrali ko lang.
Ayaw naman kung anong ginagawa niyan.
Ay, Doc.
Touch the duck.
Whoa!
Wag mo hawakan, wag niyo hawakan. Wag mo parilin, mapapatay mo si
You
ano.
shouldn't hold it. Uh-oh.
Ayun, Doc. Yan.
Hi.
Ah,
Ganun.
wait. Yan. Isip ka.
Is that it? Is that all you do?
Asan yung ulo ni Sam?
That's
It's in the now.
Tara, i-extract na natin to.
That's one contaminated.
I think everything is contaminated.
I think that's how, okay. Well, at least may gamit na, right?
Ooh.
Ang lala nun. Ang dami nangyari sa 10 seconds na yun.
Sana na-clip ko. Are you recording?
Of course, dude. I'm recording.
Pre, hindi ko nga nakita yung monster, pre.
Dude. Narinig yung oh na yun. Oh no.
Break na natin muna. Break na muna natin.
Tara, balik natin. Tulungan mo ako sa computer, Sid.
Sige.
Okay.
Hold on. Cannon.
Itulak muna natin tong computer.
Yeah, this one's the hand.
Decide
Ano
which
yung
one natin
bullets?
to.
Ano yung bullets mo?
4 na lang.
Oh.
Rotate.
Uh-oh.
Teka. Go. Push.
Nice one.
Oo. Ooh.
Go.
Kunin na rin
Wait,
natin
pwede
mga-
natin i-bake yung rubber ducky dito. Sa mga extraction point.
That's true. Or I can shoot it.
Excuse me, Sam.
Mas maganda na i-bake para ano, pag kinuha siya.
Aray!
Sorry.
Oh, yung... Mag-help lang
Ang
ako
goofy
guys.
tignan.
Kunin natin soda yung ano.
Nasaan na?
Soda.
It looks so weird.
Ang
Is it?
kawawa
Yeah,
naman
let me
ng
stand on
dad. Halika dito.
You might step over.
Wait, hanapin muna natin yung extraction point bago natin kunin yung malaki.
What?
Alright, sige. Hanapin natin extraction. Tingin na kayo ng loot ha. Hanapin ka rin extraction.
Ay, may loot dito malaki. Wait.
May loot dito.
Dahil nga natin. Check ko lang dito sa house.
Konnichiwa. Ano ang loot?
Kunin mo muna to. Meron pa ito pa.
Bleh.
Meron pa ito pa.
Spice ba? Saan?
Here. Ta.
Oh, that's a glass.
Yeah.
Let's...
Yung
let's-
server nandito. Kunin ba natin yung server muna or yung pala?
Yung... Pareho.
Ito
Kasi
yung server, oh.
kunin natin pareho.
Sige.
I'll grab the duck.
I'll grab bottom.
Okay.
Oh, guys, look. What the?
I can't.
Wait lang. Magre-reposition ko yung gamit na hawak ko. Wait lang. Okay. Good. Sam, tulungan mo si Dennis sa yung glass doon, yung malaki.
Got it.
Thank you.
What if I shoot it, Soda?
Bobo ka ba?
Ang genuine naman nun. Wait lang.
Wait.
Okay. I-sideways natin actually. Hindi, itayo natin. Try natin itayo. Try natin itayo.
Yay! Tayo nga. Teka.
I-rotate mo pa tayo. Tatama ba sa ceiling?
No, hindi. Abot yan. Yan,
Barely.
Okay na.
Oh my god.
Oh my god!
Oh!
Oh shit, how do we
Wait,
get
hawakan ko yung tuk-tuk para ano.
Hindi,
para patas.
hawak ko yung tutok. Itulak mo sa baba. Itulak mo
Hindi,
sa
sa
baba.
likod. Sa likod para yan. Hawakan ko yung tuk-tuk para. Okay na yan.
Yan, itabi natin dito. That's for later.
Usog. Okay.
I'm gonna get
Nasaan yung glass? Yung malaking glass.
Ito. Nasa likod
Over
dito.
here.
How the hell are we gonna do
Dito
this?
sa side na.
So the round
Pasok na natin to.
2. What if I
9K
shoot
lang
it?
naman eh.
Oh god. Oh god.
Do you want me to repeat myself?
Wow, sino pumunta?
Sakit ng pagkasabi mo. Tama na. Stop.
Hindi, 9K lang naman.
Ah.
Lapag na natin 9. Ay, okay,
Oh.
never mind. Ay, hindi, lagay. Sige, lagay na natin. 9K lang naman
Dito,
eh.
corner.
Wait, where's the card?
Nasa likod, sa outside. Here.
Okay na yun.
I'll go get
Perfect.
it.
Tapos
Yon!
ito, i-push
Tetris.
mo, ganun, pare.
I'm
Kasama
saying,
na
I have
guys.
experience.
Teto.
Tara.
Wait lang ah. Kunin ko lang yung card.
Yeah, yun na lang.
Sis lang.
Bakal bote.
Bakal bote. Wait lang. Malalaglag na yan eh. Okay.
Ayan. Nice ka
Bakal
na.
bote. Bakal bote. Bakal bote. Bakal bote.
Wow,
Ano na
soundbite. Since I'm in the same tone, the same everything.
Balot!
Tara. Tulak.
Balot! Balot!
Just keep pushing. Ayan. Hawakan niyo lang.
Oh no.
Hawakan niyo lang.
Keep pushing.
Give birth!
Give birth.
Masisira
Push
ba?
harder.
Nasira.
Ah.
No?
No, nasira.
No tax return.
Broke it!
Oh well.
Don't blame us.
Oh, naman.
Bakal bote. Bakal
Ano yung
bote.
blue na yun sa map? Nakita niyo yun? Oh, hindi. Ay, yung duck. Never mind. Yung duck yun.
It's moving.
Bakal bote.
Bakal
Ang layo ng
bote.
dating niya.
Ang layo nun nirating.
Bakal
Balot!
bote. Bote.
Dito, dito.
Bote. Bakal.
Aray ko!
Sorry.
Hello, put me down. Stop. Thank
Buti na lang bumili ako ng duck bucket. What a clutch.
Bakal bote.
Ingat, Sam. Ingat. May butas. Butas.
Guys, wait lang, tumatawag asawa ko eh.
Sige, sagutin mo muna yung asawa mo.
Ay, bili. Tulong.
Hindi niya, kahit on the clock ako, bigla niya ako aawain.
Pre, healthy po ba yan?
Here.
Oh.
Does anybody want to inspect this with me? Hello?
Uy, free iPhone.
Let me see.
Wow.
Let me see.
Wow,
Me.
free iPhone.
Ow. Oh, there's.
Oh, it
Oh, it's
goes
deeper.
even deeper!
That's what she said. Ow. Hello? Can we buy one?
Okay, no.
No, lame. Oh. Ah, there's a penguin. Is it a penguin? Makjanek Station. Arctic Research. I found my 60. Nangyari sa inyo yung dalawa?
Nandun yung part.
Ah, okay.
Uy, butas
Shoot
oh.
na natin. 57K.
Ayun lang ba?
Wala na ata eh.
Ayun natin.
Hindi, meron pa sa minimap. Check nyo. Meron pa.
Ako na.
Paray ko. May fall damage. Yeah, merong isa. Oh my god. Did I take a picture? Teka nga.
You did? Smile!
I did.
Wow! Oh, it stuns! Pag napicturean ka.
Damn, you look ugly. Para.
Pre,
You
ikaw
take
yung
a
unang
picture.
pinicturean. I think it's...
Pre. Tinamaan kita. Not me.
Buga, buga.
Baka lumipad ako.
Hold on, there's enough.
Paano mo nagawa yan?
Alin?
Yung ano, yung may ikot-ikot pa lang.
Wala, nasapa ko nung frying pan.
Okay, ready na?
I guess so. Guys, yung dock ah. Iingat kayo.
Takbo, 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 takbo! Takbo!
Oh yeah.
Takbo!
Oh yeah, forgot.
Oh?
Takbo!
The monsters
Kawawa
are
naman yung
bad.
duck na yun. Tinan mo,
Just follow the
nagdadagdag.
red pill! Wait, that sounds wrong.
Where do we go? Okay.
Mali! I pressed the wrong button!
I'll just walk. I'll just take my time.
Yeah, dapat nonchalant, no?
Yep. Nonchalant.
Mas magandang
Uh-oh.
ugali yan.
Tago.
Guys? Guys?
Yo, Sam.
Guys? Guys? Guys?
Sam is dead. Sam is dead. Teka. Kunin natin si Sam. Uh-oh.
Wait, may frying pan ako.
Uh-oh. Is that the head? That's the head. Oh shit. Uh-oh. Get your ass there. Nandi ka na res?
Dude, I saw one of the new monsters.
Ano si
Soyang,
Sam?
and then it bore his... Dude, I saw a new monster. It killed Soyang and then it bore his head.
That's
It's
perfect.
wearing Sam's head.
I think it's a meme.
Where the hell is Sam?
Oh, never mind.
Saan yung ulo ni Sam?
That's a grenade.
Guys, Miguel, so there's a monster that stole Sam's head and now he's gone.
Oh yeah, I see him on the map. Oh, hello. Layo naman. Oh, hello.
How'd you do that?
I shot it. Hi, Sam.
Pangit na pre, nakakatakot yung nangyari sa akin.
Nakita ko nga eh.
Tapos lag ako din sa ano.
May lumapit na dalawang ano, may lumapit. Ano sa akin?
Lala.
Bruh, Sam, it was literally wearing your head.
Right?
Nagulat. Nagulat na lang ako. Dahil kinabahan ako nung lumapit yung ulo sa akin.
I think pag na-heal ka na, bawal ka na marel.
Oh, okay. That's lame. Oh, did someone
Oh.
crash?
Uh-oh.
Oh.
Dennis?
I'm still here.
Said?
Hello?
Ano?
Sino nag-crash?
Si Sid.
Naglalag ako.
Sid.
I think I'm gonna go to bed, guys.
Binuksan ko on purpose. Naglalag yung ano ko.
Tulog ka na, Sam. Sam?
Guys, sleep na ako.
Sige.
I'm going to bed.
Sige.
Tired.
Okay.
night,
Good
guys.
night.
Good night.
Night, night.
Tell him I said
Good game.
Huh?
Ilan ba tayo? 1. Ay, hindi. Main menu muna tayo. Wala si Sid eh. Sino ba to?
Ano?
Main menu.
Crash yata ako eh.
Tara, main menu tayo. Wala si Sid eh. Who are you?
Oh, sige. Bro, damn! Okay.
Gusto niya bumalik sa isang load.
Sige?
Yung may kanan tayo.
Oh, right.
Oh yeah, you mean the one from last night?
Yep.
Yeah.
Alright, yeah, sure.
Eh, eh.
Send me the invite.
Meron pa ba kayong gusto isali? Bago mag-start.
CJ,
Ginagawa ba siya?
wala naman. Out. Kakatapos lang maglaro kanina eh. Nakita ko.
Tara, sali natin ulit. Tara, repo.
Grabe yun. Ano yung laro ko kanina nung ano. Sumabog yung ano na yun. Yung maraming ulo.
Naglag ka.
Oh, nag-freeze yung game ko nung sumabog siya.
Ay, join kayo sa akin. Hindi ko kayo ma-invite.
Hindi lang.
Gugu gaga. Oh, that's a cool-ass glider.
Oo, nasa VC save.
Okay.
Open repo. Wait.
Oh my god, Wade. I know that guy.
Did you send the VC? I mean, did you send the invite yet?
I can't send. You have just join me.
Okay. Oh god.
Oh my god, Wade. 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 Wade.
Wade. Wade.
Mm.
I know you.
Yeah?
I saw that art of yours.
Yeah.
Walang
Oh
magawa.
my god, you're the artist from Twitter.
Oh my god, the Twitter artist.
From that one art.
Oh my god, I should draw. I should draw.
What if you draw tomorrow?
I can't draw tomorrow.
What if said you joined us? Shadrikun. Or else said, I'll call your slur name.
Whoa, what?
Aray ko.
Ba't
Yes.
ganun? Nagano, game not responding.
Ayaw ba sa'yo?
Nakalagay game not responding.
Invite to game.
Wait, Alt F4 ko ulit.
Dota. You should call yellow. Fuck up. Close enough.
Ayun.
Ay, sa wakas. Tara, start tayo. Come on, guys. We gotta take this seriously. That's what my sensei said. Ano ni Echo yun? Echo. Kapag naliligo kayo, ano yung nauna nyo? Soap or shampoo?
Shampoo.
Shampoo.
I think na ano nga yung ano ko game.
Said you're throwing.
I'm not throwing. Ito sa miss input pre.
Ano gusto nyo gawin?
Kailangan ko ata reinstall.
Tara, peek.
Tara pick. Tara.
So true.
But Dennis doesn't have peek. Right, close ko na yung game.
Okay.
Next week na lang ulit tong laro na to.
Task manager.
What do you want to do? Dennis, we left. By the way.
Yep, I'm aware. I just had to turn off